Alright, imagine this. Just a year ago, I had zero experience with artificial intelligence. Fast forward to now, and I'm making over $5,000 a month, all thanks to AI. Sounds wild, right? Let me break down exactly how I did it, so you can do it too. First, I started by learning the basics. I didn't dive into complicated code. Nope. I explored easy-to-use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva's AI features. These tools are like having a super smart assistant on standby anytime I need them. Next, I found a problem people were struggling with. For me, it was small businesses needing content, blogs, social posts, emails, you name it. Using AI, I could create high-quality content way faster than before. I started offering these services on freelancing platforms. At first, I charged just a little, but as I got better and built up reviews, my rates grew. But here's where things really took off. I didn't just stick to freelancing. I launched a simple digital product, an AI-powered content planner. I used AI to automate the whole thing, so people could download it and start using it right away. Sales trickled in at first, but with some clever marketing, again, powered by AI, I started seeing real income every month. What's the lesson here? You don't need to be a tech genius or invest tons of money up front. AI is the ultimate shortcut, but you have to get creative and spot those opportunities. Start small, learn by doing, and don't be afraid to experiment. If I can go from $0 to $5,000 a month with AI, so can you. The future is here. Why not take advantage of it? For more tips on how to maximize AI, visit the link in my YouTube description and check it out. And if you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content.